Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a school notebook cover. First, gather your materials. A notebook, a roll of clear contact paper or a large sheet of decorative paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a ruler. You'll also need a pencil for marking and a smooth, clean surface to work on. Having everything ready makes the process much easier and ensures a professional-looking finish for your notebook. Next, carefully measure your notebook. Lay your chosen cover material flat and place the open notebook on top. Leave an extra 2 to 3 centimeters on all sides for folding. Use your ruler and pencil to mark these dimensions accurately. Then, with your sharp scissors, cut along your marked lines. Precision here is key for a neat and snug fit, so take your time to ensure straight edges. Now, it's time to apply the cover. If using contact paper, peel back about 2 to 3 centimeters of the backing from one edge. Align this exposed sticky edge with the notebook's spine or one side of the cover. Slowly and carefully, press down, smoothing out any air bubbles as you go. Continue peeling the backing and smoothing the cover across the entire surface, working from the center outwards to prevent wrinkles. Finally, for a polished look, trim any excess material around the edges, leaving about 1 to 2 centimeters. Fold this excess neatly over the inside of the notebook covers and secure it with tape if needed, especially at the corners. You can also cut small diagonal slits at the corners before folding for a cleaner finish. This simple process will protect your notebook and give it a personalized, durable appearance for the entire school year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.